Today I'm so glad to share with you a dessert recipe that's a big hit in my home, especially with the youngest member of our family. So let's get started.
To make this delicious tiramisu, you just require 5 ingredients: the lady's finger biscuits, cream, condensed milk, milk chocolate, and the instant coffee powder. So first you add all the contents in a bowl. You can add the cream, which is chilled overnight. That is really important. It has to be cold. Half a tin of condensed milk if it's a big tin. If not, you can use 200 ml condensed milk. 3 teaspoons of coffee powder, instant coffee. And you have to whisk it. You can use an automatic whisker or you can even do it manually.
When you're whipping the cream, make sure to keep watching it because I have done this mistake in the past when I had recently learned this recipe of whipping the cream for very long and it tends to curdle. So just keep an eye on the cream. As soon as you feel that the bubbles have disappeared and it's turning thick, it's time to stop whipping.
There, it's nearly done. The cream becomes really thick and you have to stop whipping it at this moment. Now we take water in a container, around 250 ml water, add 4 teaspoons of coffee powder and make it lukewarm. At this instant, you can also add 2 tablespoons of cognac or brandy if you want to, that is optional. The whipped cream is ready, so now we can start layering the tiramisu. In a rectangular container, you have to dip these lady's fingers biscuits in the coffee mixture that we made. It's lukewarm, so you don't have to soak them, just one dip and you have to remove it. After putting the layer of biscuits, we add the first layer of the cream. So we just use half of the cream which has been prepared. After you finish adding this layer of cream, you have to grate the milk chocolate on top of this layer. You can also grate chocolate beforehand and keep it and just sprinkle on top. Now we will add the second layer of the biscuits which are dipped in the same way as before. Make this second layer. Then we add the remaining cream and spread it all over. Once again, we grate a lot of chocolate on top. As this is our last layer, you have to coat it nicely. And then you can refrigerate it for 6 to 8 hours so that it gets set.
If you're a parent, you know that there's nothing more heartwarming than your child telling you that for his birthday, he wants the dessert made by you and not a cake from the bakery.
Don't forget to give this recipe a thumbs up and do try it with your friends and family. It's easy and it's so very delicious.
Thank you so much for watching. If you do try this recipe, please let me know in the comment section below how it turned out for you. And I would love you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. I will see you soon again in the next one. Bye-bye.